Understanding First Aid Kit, a basic English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and important phrase in English, first aid kit. This is not just a phrase, it's something that could be essential in everyday life. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, knowing about a first aid kit is crucial. Let's dive in and learn all about it. A first aid kit is a collection of supplies and equipment used for giving emergency treatment. It's a compact, portable kit that contains essential items to treat minor injuries or provide initial care for more serious injuries until professional medical help is available. It's commonly used for cuts, bruises, burns, and other basic medical needs. First aid kits have been around for a long time, originally created for soldiers in war to treat wounds quickly. Their importance cannot be overstated. Having a first aid kit can mean the difference between minor and major health complications in emergency situations. It's a symbol of preparedness and care. Typically, a first aid kit includes bandages and plasters for cuts or scrapes, antiseptic wipes and creams to prevent infection, gauze and tape for dressing wounds, scissors and tweezers for cutting or removing objects, pain relief medication like aspirin or ibuprofen, emergency contact information. A first aid kit is used in various situations, from a minor scrape at home to a sprain during a sports event. The key is to remain calm and use the contents to provide temporary relief. Remember, it's not a substitute for professional medical care but a first step in treating minor injuries. It's important to regularly check and replenish your first aid kit. Make sure items are not expired and that the kit is easily accessible in your home, car, or workplace. Tailor your kit to your needs, considering allergies or specific medical conditions. Thank you for watching. Remember, a first aid kit is an essential part of health and safety. It's not just about knowing what it is, but also understanding how to use it effectively. Stay safe, and see you in our next English learning video.